Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 10 best webcam for streaming reviews, available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 10 best webcam for streaming reviews. Number 1, Logitech C922X Pro. The Logitech C922X Pro is designed with specs that make it a reliable option for the gaming community. It provides a sharp resolution of 1080p and a frame rate of 30 FPS. This means it has the highest resolution among the cameras discussed in this list. It also implies it is a very good webcam for streaming videos, and is, therefore, worth the investment for professional streamers. Though the Logitech C922X Pro is one of the more expensive options on our list, you'll be impressed by its background replacement technology, which allows you to integrate live images on the background scenes. Background replacement feature. The video compression feature allows you to compress videos and save on space. An omnidirectional microphone helps to reduce noise. Number 2, HP HD 4310 Webcam. The HP HD 4310 webcam is a very well-known camera for its ability to support three-way video calls. This makes it a great option for video conferences, as well as live streaming. The webcam features an impressive 1080p resolution, which helps make images and videos sharper. HP went a step ahead to include a True Vision light adjustment feature that helps automatically adjust the image clarity based on background lighting levels. This has been very useful in enhancing the experience of video conferencing because you can still make great videos, even when stuck in a poorly lit room. As for performance, the webcam is capable of hitting a maximum of 1080p at 30 frames per second. Therefore, your videos will play smoothly and clearly on a laptop, PC, and mobile screens. 360-degree angle spinning and 30-degree tilt. Directional microphone cancels out external noise. 1080p widescreen video quality provides higher resolution images. Easy user interface for both experienced and new users. Number 3, Mevo Plus Intelligent Webcam for Social Media Streaming. The Mevo Plus was designed as the advanced model of the Mevo camera that was originally created for Facebook Live. As an improvement to its predecessor, Mevo Plus allows users to create videos at impressive resolutions, both 1080p and 4K. The most impressive thing about the webcam is that it works on both mobile platforms, as well as PCs. If you're traveling, your phone makes it possible to easily stream high-resolution videos while on the go. I found this webcam particularly impressive because it allows its users to easily edit their videos using multiple editing tools directly from their phones. This is especially impressive for travel bloggers who cover events while on the go and want to stream their videos live. Ability to transmit video over long distances. Built-in stereo mic and audio jack. Has live editing tool feature. Can use it with your mobile phone. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 4, Razer Kyo. This weird-looking webcam is one of the best options for the gamers out there. Its designer, Razer, stripped the webcam of most of the fancy additions found on other high-end webcams, such as the live editing tools on the Mevo Plus, to concentrate on what matters most to gamers, lighting and image quality. It features an adjustable ring light that helps to remove shadows and auto-balance lighting in the video. The webcam further combines high frames per second, FPS, for chatting and video recording, 720p 60 FPS and 1080p 30ps, which makes it a great Twitch streaming camera. Overall, this webcam is a great option for streamers, especially for its impressive performance and ease of use. Front adjustable ring light reduces shadows. Advanced autofocus feature. Compact and portable design. Number 5, Microsoft LifeCam Studio. The LifeCam is designed with an impressive glass element and is meant for users who use larger displays. It provides a combination of 1080p and 720p live video calling, which makes it a good option for both video conferencing and gaming. The webcam rotates 360 degrees to help you easily capture video on all sides of the room. But that's not all. You can also mount it on a tripod and use its autofocus feature for automated streaming sessions. Its wideband microphone helps deliver crystal clear sound and further cancels out background noise to ensure that all your viewers don't miss any details. True color technology with face tracking helps control exposure levels for bright and colorful videos. Skype certified software. High fidelity mic helps make the sound clear. 1080p sensor provides sharp images. Number 6, Logitech Brio. The Logitech Brio is packed with impressive features that help make its video streams as natural as real life. It's among the best webcams for video conferencing because of its high-resolution 4K Ultra HD camera. The webcam generates razor-sharp images by adding light to the targeted subject. It also uses high-tech optics and lenses that guarantee professional quality visuals. The sound clarity of Logitech Brio is impressive because of its omnidirectional mic, which helps cancel out external noises. It also eliminates the need for headsets when running your video conferences. The webcam is powered by USB ports 2.0 and 3.0, which make it easy to use by simply plugging it into your PC. Note that a USB port 3.0 is needed when running 4K videos, which feature a horizontal display resolution of about 4000 pixels. 5x digital zoom. Bright Light 3 feature aids in correcting the surrounding lighting. Works with several operating systems including Chrome OS, Mac OS, Windows, and Cisco. So get your brand new product mentioned. Check the links in the description box below. Number 7, Ostem AW620 Pro Stream Web Camera. While most webcams are designed for specific platforms such as Windows or Mac OS X, the Ostem AW620 was created to work with almost all of them. Ostem went ahead and simplified the webcam's operations by making it a simple, plug-and-play device. So, no matter your platform, simply plug it in and you'll be ready to go ahead and use its impressive streaming capabilities. The webcam features a 1080 pixels resolution at 30 FPS, which makes it a good option for gamers. Plus, it comes with a manual lens focus, which makes it easy to target specific objects when streaming or gaming. Overall, I feel the webcam is very good because of its features such as the built-in mic, which helps clear noise and captures sound clearly for your target audience. Noise filtering technology. Tripod-ready design. Plug-and-play webcam doesn't require software updates. Number 8, Genius Widecam F100. This webcam provides an impressive range of 120 degrees, which can cover up to 5 people at a time. Its wide range is also preferred by office employees when holding video conferences. The webcam provides a solid image quality of up to 12 MP, which isn't the best, but still rather impressive. Plus, it's also very easy to set up and start using. So, you only need about a minute or two to install and start using the webcam. The Widecam F100 is sold with ArcSoft Webcam Companion software, which allows you to record full HD videos and edit them instantly. It also makes it easy to integrate the webcam with platforms such as Facebook Messenger. Though this webcam does not have as many features as some of the other top webcams such as Mevo Plus, I found it to be an overall good webcam because of its ease of use and other factors such as the 12 MP and 120 degree wide-angle lens. Wide-range angle lens makes it possible to create videos of larger areas. The Widecam F100 1080p Full HD recording makes for impressive images and videos. Built-in high-sensitivity stereo microphone. Number 9, Aukey PC-LM1A. If you're looking for a camera that combines quality and ease of use, the Aukey PC-LM1A is a great option for you. It's preferred for its wide field of view, which hits a maximum angle of 80 degrees. This view is wide enough to show 2 people in the camera at the same time. Its performance is enhanced by the automated light adjustment feature that makes it effective in a wide range of lighting conditions. If the lighting is poor, the webcam adjusts its lighting exposure to ensure that the objects of interest in the video are clear and impressive. Although the Aukey PC-LM1A's field of view is only 80 degrees, which is dwarfed by the Widecam F100 that extends up to 120 degrees, many users are still impressed by its hassle-free setup, which only requires clipping it on top of your PC and plugging it in via a USB port. Support for multiple video formats/LE. Flexible fit stand ensures 360-degree tilt. Auto light adjustment feature. Affordable. So get your brand new product mentioned. Check the links in the description box below. Number 10, Logitech C270. If you are interested in a cheap, but decent webcam for common Skype and Facebook streaming functions, you're better off with the Logitech C270. To put it differently, it's the best budget streaming webcam you can get. At just under $20, you're sure to enjoy its rather impressive video capture capabilities of up to 1280x720 pixels. This allows you to enjoy streaming great videos, especially on social media platforms such as Facebook or Skype. Its ease of installation, setup, and use has made many people consider it the entry option into the world of live streaming. It provides high-definition, HD, capability and the images are pretty good, even when taken some distance from the camera. Overall, The Logitech C270 is a great option for replacing your standard laptop webcam when making live videos or running video calls. However, you'll be required to upgrade to other more powerful webcams, such as the Logitech C922X Pro if you want truly high-quality video streaming. HD 720 video calling feature creates impressive videos. Motion detection capability. Pan, zoom, and tilt. So these are the best webcam for streaming reviews, which you can buy this year. If you know any other webcam for streaming reviews, which we missed in the video, you can tell us the name in the comment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe.